Have you ever wished there was a single, simple change that could make you healthier, sharper, and more energetic without buying expensive supplements or spending hours cooking complicated meals? What if I told you that the secret isn't adding something new, but actually taking something away? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the shocking part. What if skipping breakfast, lunch, and snacks could be the most powerful health decision you'll ever make? Be honest with yourself for a second. How often do you feel tired after eating? How many times a day do you find yourself craving sugar, snacks, or coffee just to keep going? And what if I told you that the very thing you were taught to fear, not eating, could unlock faster fat loss, mental clarity, youthful energy, and even a longer life? This isn't hype. It's OMAD, one meal a day, and it's changing lives around the world. OMAD isn't a strict diet. It's a simple form of intermittent fasting, 23 hours of fasting, and a 1 hour eating window. And the best part? You can plan your single meal around your lifestyle. Dinner with friends, family gatherings, social events. Yes, you can live fully and still do OMAD. Let's uncover the 23 surprising benefits of OMAD that might just change the way you look at food forever. 1. Massive money savings. Eating once a day cuts your grocery bill dramatically. Many people save $500–600 a month without even trying. 2. You reclaim your time. Think of the hours wasted on prepping, cooking, eating, and cleaning. OMAD gives you that time back. 3. Your digestion finally rests. Your stomach, pancreas, and gallbladder get a daily break, helping heal bloating and IBS naturally. 4. Your immune system gets supercharged. Fasting activates autophagy, your body's internal cleanup system, recycling damaged cells, viruses, and fungi. 5. You may actually live longer. Studies show fasting triggers powerful anti-aging mechanisms. 6. Hunger stabilizes. Once your body adapts to fat burning, cravings disappear. Food stops controlling you. 7. Your skin glows. With lower inflammation and more cell renewal, many see smoother, younger-looking skin. 8. Your energy skyrockets. Instead of post-meal crashes, you feel lighter, sharper, and more awake. 9. Your mood lifts. Stable blood sugar means fewer emotional swings, less anxiety, and a calmer mind. 10. Your brain powers up. OMAD improves focus, memory, and clarity. Some describe it as lifting a fog they didn't even know was there. 11. Inflammation drops. Arthritis, bursitis, tendinitis, many inflammatory conditions improve naturally. 12. Blood pressure lowers. By reducing insulin, OMAD addresses one of the root causes of hypertension. 13. Your heart gets healthier. It improves arterial flexibility and lowers risk factors linked to insulin resistance. 14. Dementia risk decreases. Fasting supports brain health and may slow cognitive decline. 15. It fights diabetes. OMAD improves insulin sensitivity, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps reverse prediabetes. 16. It heals fatty liver. Your body burns through stored liver fat, restoring proper function. 17. You become a fat-burning machine. Stubborn belly fat starts to melt as your metabolism shifts gears. 18. Your discipline strengthens. Fasting 23 hours a day builds real mental toughness and self-control. 19. Your muscles thrive. Growth hormone rises, protecting muscle mass and increasing density. Great for aging bodies. 20. Your metabolism resets. If you've ever said, "My metabolism is slow," this is the game changer. 21. Your mental clarity peaks. Many experience a light, euphoric focus during fasting that's hard to describe until you feel it. 22. Food stops controlling your life. You stop planning your day around meals and start living it on your own terms. 23. You build a stronger, more youthful future. OMAD isn't just about skipping meals. It's about unlocking the body's natural power to heal, energize, and thrive. These aren't small changes. This is a complete shift in how your body functions. OMAD gives your system the chance to rest, reset, and rebuild. And once your body fully switches from sugar burning to fat burning, the benefits become undeniable. Before you click away, I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried OMAD, or are you curious to start? From which country are you watching this video, and what time is it there right now? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one, and I love seeing how far our Golden Rest Guide family reaches across the world. And if this video opened your eyes, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe, hit like, and share it with someone who's ready for a real change. Together, we can make healthy living simple, powerful, and life-changing.